this is how it will stand. This is the length of the device. So you can see it is really tall. It is taller than me. So I'm sure it will be taller than you. So let me know in the comment section. But this is how the device is. Let me just start from the button right here to let you know of the device. Down here, wait, this is just the unboxing and also some of the features that the Oraimo Smart Tripod 2 comes with. We are not just starting from the button right away, but we will surely start from the device itself, getting it out of this box. But if you're new, just make sure you like the video because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. We have been talking with Oraimo devices for a long time. This is not the first time, so you can check our profile or check in the comment section description for more videos on these Oraimo devices, smartwatches, whatever, just name it. Anything on the Oraimo website, we have it right here. So just check it out. We have a playlist you can check in the comment section and then you can get to know more. Okay. And one thing is, if you want to purchase, okay, just check in the comment section. And if in case you need a step-by-step guide on how you can buy, I also have everything right here. So why not check everything in the comment section description or this video and know more. So just talk about the Oraimo Smart Tripod 2. So in the box, it comes with just the a finished design of the Oraimo Smart Tripod 2 in the box. And what I've been saying about Oraimo is they're always good at packaging. I really love how they package their items, and I'm always impressed with it. They always take it to the next level. And this one is just a simple, unbox, okay, that I just did right here. So in the box, we have all these in the box as you see on the screen. But if you're new, just make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel for more videos right here on this platform. So in the box, this is what we have. We have the Oraimo Smart Tripod 2 itself, and then we have a USB-C cable. Also, we have the manual itself in the box, okay? And the last thing that we have in the box is a bag, okay? So a carrying bag for you to be carrying the tripod anywhere that you go. So these are some of the things in the Oraimo Smart Tripod 2 box. What does this device do? What are some of the features of this device? The bag is just to carry our Smart Tripod 2 around. Now getting to the Oraimo Smart Tripod 2 itself, the device at the base of it comes with a locking and an unlocking knob for the device stand, okay? So before you can bring out the stand, you need to unlock before you put them out. And after bringing it out, just steer it to a lock position where you just lock the stand to prevent the device from falling, okay? So after making it like this, you are good to go. You have locked it, okay? And then you can unlock and pull everything back. But at the tip of it, it comes with stability to avoid the device from slipping. And that tips of it giving the device stability comes with 3 of them. So just in case you lose one anywhere, you have 3 of them to fix, okay? So it comes with 3 already, and you have the chance to fix another 3 if any one of them gets missing. And that is very good, okay? The body of the device is made of aluminum, okay? So the body right here, everything is aluminum, but just the rod right here, that is made of aluminum alloy. Okay, so that's the aluminum alloy right here that you can just pull. So as I showed you, the length of it is even taller than me. So do not judge a book by its cover, and this is truly true right here. Okay, so from there, after we have looked at the base of it, we have looked at the body of it, and then looking at we've looked at the rod, that is the adjustment rod right here, that is made of aluminum alloy. Now let's get to the top where we have this. This is the selfie hand, and then the selfie hand is where your remote is stored. So it just kept safe right there. Before you can bring out your remote, you need to pull from the right side. So you just push from the right side, and then you just take it from the left side, okay? So you push from the right side, and then you take it from the left side of it. And note that this little remote comes with a 55 milliampere battery, okay, that you can use your smartphone to take wireless pictures through the remote control right here, okay? I am hoping the battery will last long, so I'll just let you know of it in my review. So the review of this device will come in another video, so just be sure you like the video and subscribe so that you get updated of anything that goes on, okay? So I'll let you know of it. But this remote comes with a USB-C port, so you can just charge it with any USB port that you have, but it comes with one itself, okay, that you can just use. So that's when the USB-C or the charger, the charging cable in the box come into place, okay? So you just need to connect to your Bluetooth, and then you take pictures wirelessly right there. So when you have your selfie hand right here, All that you need to do is to just hold, and then you just, with a simple click, you'll be able to be taking pictures without touching your phone. Okay, so just connect to your Bluetooth and then start enjoying some cool pictures from there. Okay, yes, so after moving from the selfie handle, we have this right here. Is the space for you to fix one extra phone stand. Okay, so if you have any other stand, you can just use that, if just in case the Oraimo Smart Tripod that you have right here, you don't need it, or let's say you've had any issue with it, you have one extra option for you. So you just need to put it right there as you see on the screen. You put it in, fix it in, and then you put your phone right there, and then it also adds like one extra stand for you. But I'll just see whether I can fix two phones on this. So just subscribe to know more, okay, because I'm really impressed with this little smart tripod from Oraimo. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. So we will talk more and see how this goes. Okay, so from there we have the adjustment knob right here. So just like this, if you're okay with this angle, you just tighten up from that side. If you're not okay, then you loosen it, and then you just put to any other angle, that you just clip it or fix it, or tighten it right there, and then it will not move no matter what. I have just tried that one, checked it, and it is strong. It is so strong. So with that one, I can say it for the moment, because I have tried it and it's cool. But anything can happen for some time, so let's take some time off and then see how this will go. Okay, so apart from that, at the top where you put your phone right here, it comes with two rotation, and the first one is this. Okay, let me just show you right. The first one is this, and the second one is this. I've never seen a tripod like this, but that's Oraimo. Okay, so we have this for you, and we also have this. Okay, so two rotations at the top. Any angle that you want with your smartphone, just you have the chance, just do it. Okay, just feel free and then enjoy the device. That's what Oraimo is saying with this smart tripod too. So for now, that's what I can say now. But just in case I get anything or any update or something different, or know of something that is really tipsy, okay, I'll let you know. Okay, yes, but make sure you like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more. And one thing is, check in the comment section of the description and get the link to buy this device. If you want to know how you can buy and purchase everything, just check on the screen or check in the comment section to know more. And then I will see you in the next video. Stay alive and bye for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well.